Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. A test case refers to a set of actions that a tester performs on a system to ensure that it works properly, with cases ranging from highly complex assessments of a system to establishing basic functionality. Some examples of test cases of UAT include 1. Purchase tests. When a company has a website it sells products from, it is ideal to complete a test of the average customer interaction. 2. Database tests. Some pieces of software sort information into a database and arrange it into tables. When testing these, UAT testers enter long strings of data, ideally accurate to real-life situations, and wait for the platform to process the information in the database. 3. Function testing. Function testing involves checking that the basic functions of an application work, ideally in applications designed around human interaction such as games. In these instances, UAT testers make sure that all the individual functions work as expected and do so responsively, with users passing on feedback around any issues that do occur quickly and in detail. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.